This is the second part of the module. In here, we will talk about the language of sets. So as mentioned on the first video, set is a basic concept in math. Actually, this concept is very fundamental, such that most algebra books will start their chapter with sets. So let's review or learn about the concepts of set, as well as ano yung mga conventions, symbols, and syntax that we have to learn to solve problems involving sets. But first, reflect in your life. Ano yung mga bagay na you find yourself collecting over the years? Maybe you're one of those people who collect or who have a set of Coke in cans or soda in can. Or maybe some of you have a passion for taxidermy. So this is a set of butterflies, right? Or maybe you like comics or DC or Marvel movies. So you have or you want to have a set of action figures. In mathematics, set is any number or rather any group or collection of objects. This is another definition. It is a well-defined collection of objects or items. Those items that I'm referring to, we can call it elements. Okay? Well-defined is highlighted. Later on, we will understand bakit importante yung salita na yan. So for example, the set M containing Philippine archipelagos. So you know that the elements are the Philippine archipelagos. And alam natin mga Pinoy, that's Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So this is a set. M is a set. M is the name we gave to this particular set. So these are the elements of that particular set M. So there are terms or there are number sets actually in math. Kanina nakita natin yung archipelagos, diba? Binigyan natin ng yung set nila, binigyan natin ng name na M. That's arbitrary. Ibig sabihin, we can just replace it with L, O, and it won't matter. But there are specific letters na meron na talaga silang assignment. For example, when we refer to set of natural numbers, we use the big letter N. When we say natural numbers, I'm saying counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, ... That means so on. Because, of course, it's impossible to list all of them. When we say whole number, set of all whole number, that's W. So, kapag whole number, counting number plus 0. When we say integers, that's Z. The set Z, when I encounter that, this problem is referring to integers. So, that's positive integers, negative integers, and 0. Actually, when you see Z plus, that means positive integers, Z minus, negative integers. Sige nga, let's list it. So in this portion, you will learn what set is. Actually, you already did. And how to write sets using set builder notation. Because there are two ways to write set. We have the set builder notation and the set roster notation. So let's learn about set builder notation first. Again, this is another convention in this particular concept. Ano yung itsura ng set roster notation? Ganito siya. Tulad ng una nyo nakita. Merong braces, and then yung mga elements ay nakalista sa loob nun. They are separated by commas. We use ellipsis if there are more elements that we have to list. And the name of the set is always in capital letter. So another symbol for element is this one. The set A containing all of the 4 seasons. So A equal, you have to have a brace when you're using the set builder notation. So of course, the 4 seasons are summer, autumn, spring, and winter, separated by commas. C, set C containing all even numbers. So we know what even numbers are, diba? 2, 4, 6, and 8, and 10. So we list it this way. We use the ellipsis because it's impossible to list all of them. Set E containing all the beautiful girls inside the class or in this particular class. Lumabas na yung well-defined. Why is it not well-defined? Why cannot we list all the all the beautiful girls in my class? Why are these sets well defined? Itong mga nauna, bakit sila well defined? Tapos itong set of all beautiful girls is not well defined. Because it's subjective rather. Syempre, sino ang magiging natin, hurado para makapagsabi kung sino yung pamantayan ng kagandahan, di ba? So, we can't list the set. This one is a well-defined set. Set of all cities in the Philippines. So, Batangas, Lipa, Calamba, Calaca. Although ikaw, personally, you don't know all of them, but you are sure that there's an almanac, for example, or a reference na makapagbibigay sa'yo ng lahat ng cities in the Philippines. So, this is well-defined. Meanwhile, this one, all tall girls in the campus. Sino ang magsasabi sa atin kung gaano ano yung height ng tall girl, di ba? Maybe ikaw, you consider yourself as a tall girl. Should you be included in this set? So it's not well defined because wala tayong pamantayan. How do we do it? How do we make this a well defined set? O magbigay ka ng specific height, di ba? Set P containing the set of all girls with a height of 5 feet or less. No, or less. That should be or more. So, ayan, makukuha na natin, di ba? So, to sum it up, set can be denoted as any capital letter, D, for example. But again, there are certain capital letters na meron ng particular assignment. For example, N, that's for natural numbers. Elements of a set is written between braces. These are braces and separated by commas. And you can use ellipses if it's impossible for you to list all of the elements of that particular set. So you see there are a lot of conventions, diba? Read aloud. In this particular example, we now have to learn about set builder notation.